So how's it going so far? Learning a few things, feeling excited about Excel? Think about the outcome. What's going to be the outcome of the skills that you're picking up right now? And we've got 2 more elements to go, and we'll be able to know all the elements of the Excel screen so that we can keep on with the learning. 2 more elements. I want to let you know about the name box and the formula bar. But first, take a look at where my marquee is right now. My marquee is in cell C30. I want to go to cell A1. Cell A1 is what I call my home cell. So here's a quick shortcut tip and trick, shortcuts, tips, and tricks to get you to your home cell, which is A1. I'm going to press the keyboard combination Control Home. And watch this. I'm in C30 right now. I press Control Home and it takes me to my home cell, A1. Control Home. Shortcuts, tips, and tricks. All right. So now, how do I know that I'm in cell A1 besides the fact that I can just see that it's obviously column A and row 1? Well, another way to know is just to look at the name box. Right here in the name box, it tells me that that's A1. How do I know what that's called? The name box. Well, just open the Marquee. When you hover over the name box and you open the Marquee, take a look. It's telling us that that's called the name box. And the name box lets you know where your marquee is at. Now, the marquee is on A1. I'm going to put the marquee right here on D3. Now, when you take a look at the name box is letting us know that this is cell D3. How do I get to my home cell quickly? Control Home. You got it right there. Now, the name box lets me know what cell the marquee is in, and the formula bar lets me know what the contents of that cell are. So right now, according to the name box, I'm in cell A1, and when I look at the formula bar, the contents of cell A1 is a number, 254. Now watch this. When I go ahead and put my marquee in cell A4 and insert a sum function, shortcuts, tips, and tricks, watch this, Alt equal, inserts a sum function. More on that later. And I press enter. Now, my marquee is on cell A4. And when I look at the name box tells me that my marquee is on A4. When we look at the formula bar is letting us know that the contents of cell A4 is a formula, the sum of A1 through A3. Now, I put my marquee on cell A2. The name box tells me that my marquee is in cell A2. And the formula bar lets me know that the contents of cell A2 is a number, 365. So there you have it. Now we know the name box. Now we know the formula bar. Now we know the elements of the Excel screen. And we can keep on learning. Oh, yeah. Aloha.